Wait, Remi, it sounds like rain.
Huh? What do you mean?
It's the sound of tapping on a desk.
Oh, really?
Oh,
That's so amazing.
what a fun idea.
Huh?
Should we play a Finding Similar Sounds game?
Yes! Finding Similar Sounds Game.
Have you ever heard this sound?
Rain.
Oh, I got it! I got it! Thunder!
Oh, I got it. I got it. Wind.
Oh, I got it! I got it! Leaves!
Oh, I got it. I got it. Together. Finding Similar Sounds Game.
Well done!
All right, guys, that was a great performance. Did you have fun today?
Yeah, we really liked it! You should try to find interesting sounds too!
Okay, see you guys next time.
Bye.